And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it isn't.
Done. I was gonna film it, but a lot of people were there, so I didn't want to ask her and bother her, but I got that done. My hair is normally not this gray, but I wanted to do something a little different. I went to the commissary and GNC, so I'm going to show you what I picked up, and then I'm going to get to studying. First things first, I picked up Cody some Cheez-Its for work, and of course I had a few. I was starving. Yes, I know they are not keto, but your girl was hungry. I picked up some of these Mission Balance, Carb Balance tortillas. They have 5 net carbs. They used to have 4, so I'm bummed that they went up. I got this Fresh Express Caesar kit. I got these natural chicken breast nuggets. And then I have some sauce from Chick-fil-A that I'm going to use with them. I picked up these pepperoni cheese sticks. My Walmart is always out of these, so I just wanted to go ahead and pick up some. I picked up some ground beef, 93% lean. This is all they had, so I can make some tacos tonight. And then I got a roast for probably Friday night. I also picked up this vanilla latte. This isn't for me because it has quite a few carbs. It has 21, but Cody likes to drink this, so this was on sale at the commissary, so I went ahead and picked that up. I got these from GNC. I haven't tried this one, so I got 2 because I didn't see them at mine by my house. So this is dark chocolate peanut butter. Has 1 gram of sugar. So it kind of has a lot of carbs. They went up on this one, so it has 11 net carbs. So I would probably have to like split the serving in half. But I wanted to try them, and I got 2 because I thought it was buy one get one 50, but it ended up not being that. Up some more eggs so I can make some cream cheese pancakes. So yeah, and then I have been drinking my water and drinking my Dr. Pepper, and there's the doggies. Okay guys, I'm taking a break from studying and I'm eating some taco salad that I made earlier, and I just warmed up because I wasn't hungry when I made it, and I'm just gonna watch some Law and Order. Excuse the mess behind it, not cleaning. Alright guys, I am calling it a night. I'm exhausted and I'm going to get up early in the morning, take some pre-tests, and finish up this chapter. I just want to tell y'all good night. And real quick before I get any questions, I am studying the power score, so I will link them down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.